What's up, everyone? My name is Dr. Daniel Ricciardi. I'm a functional medicine practitioner who specializes in gut health, licensed pharmacist, and a fitness enthusiast. I help clients get rid of bloating, gas, and digestive issues so they can look, feel their best, and do things they love. So many of the interventions for Western medicine rely on using prescription medications in order to manage but not cure diseases. And also with a functional medicine approach, using supplements meant to support the body's normal processes, such as vitamins, such as minerals, and then things to boost things like stomach acid, digestive enzymes. They're very commonly used. Again, but they're still using some sort of supplement that you have to ingest into your body. But there's also things that we can do that don't rely on any pills at all, and they're free and very easy to use. And in this video, I'm gonna go over the one thing that you really must be doing in order to get the best possible digestion. And if you can do this one thing, it's twice as likely that you'll be able to get rid of the bloating, belching gas that you've been troubled with. And what I'm talking about here is before you eat, to get your body into what's known as a parasympathetic nervous system state. And what this means is that the body understands that its survival is assured. It is not in any danger. And because of this, it can sit back and it can rest and digest food. And it primes the body to secrete as many digestive enzymes, stomach acid, bile as possible in order to better digest this food. On the other hand, the other nervous system state that can happen is a sympathetic nervous system state, which most people walk around constantly in, which is also known as the fight or flight response. If the body's in this nervous system state, it is only worried about trying to survive. It will not care at all whether you digest that meal you just ate well. That's because our primitive brain cannot differentiate whether the stressor that is causing this fear, danger, can either actually harm us, such as being chased by an animal, or if it's just having one too many emails that you have to respond to. Either way, this stress and the effects it has on the body are exactly the same. And our body either can be in this sympathetic nervous system state, fight or flight mode, or this parasympathetic nervous system state, rest or digest. It's kind of a light switch. It's on or it's off. So getting our body into this parasympathetic nervous system state is the secret to having the best possible digestion. But how is this actually done? It's actually way easier than we may think. It's been researched and shown that the simple act of taking several deep, controlled breaths can put your body from the sympathetic nervous system state into a parasympathetic nervous system state. For myself personally, I like to do box breathing. I typically will do 6 deep breaths, which are close my eyes, 4 seconds in, hold at the top for 4 seconds, and then exhale for 4 seconds. So 12 seconds per breath. This takes just over a minute to do. And even if I am stressed before, doing this one simple exercise can flip a switch in the brain and put you into parasympathetic nervous system state. This is really important because instead of the stomach acid support supplements, the digestive enzymes, the bile, which are definitely helpful in their own right, don't get me wrong, and I'm not saying not to do them, but to get the maximum benefit your body can put out, just doing these breaths can double the amount of stomach acid, digestive enzymes, bile that your body's secreting during the mealtime. But I would say before you even buy any of those supplements, make sure you're doing this one simple thing first to really get the maximum benefit and to really get the best digestion you possibly can. I said I was going to give you just one tip in order to make it twice as likely to eliminate the bloating and gas. I'm actually going to give you a second one. This ties into what you're actually doing while you're eating. I'm fortunate to make my schedule, so I know that I can choose what I'm doing when I'm eating, and I can obviously decide not to do anything work related or anything that may be stressful. For the majority of people, I understand this is definitely not the case. I would make every effort possible to try to avoid things that are very stressful while you're eating, such as work, such as paying bills, could be a variety of other things as well. It's generally a best practice probably to eliminate and get off your phone, get off the laptop while you're eating. I personally find that if I'm on my laptop and I'm watching something funny or that's entertaining to me that doesn't make me think of anything stressful, this also has been working really well. So because I'm doing it, I obviously can't condone other people doing it. So if this is a good solution to you, maybe you eat most of your meals by yourself like I do, go ahead and by all means do this. I just wanted to go over this brief information with you, and for me personally, I have noticed that if I am eating and I'm very stressed out, I do feel worse and don't digest the food. So this is actually real. I hope you use this to your advantage, especially if you're someone struggling with a lot of these symptoms. If you found this short video helpful, I actually have a full bloating and gas guide on my website at drdanielricciardi.com. There's a link in the bio here as well to go directly to my website, and then click the button that says Get Free Bloating and Gas Guide. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you've tried doing this in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for new videos that post every Monday at 6 p.m. Central Time. Take care.